Mapagpalang araw mga ate at mga kuya. Welcome muli sa akin channel, ang Kuya Nandingem. Ang ibabahagi ko ngayon ay tungkol sa kahalagahan ng Quezon Memorial Circle Museum sa Manila, Philippines. At malalaman natin ang significance nito culturally, historical at saka educational importance. Pagkatapos ko kasi ng walking, nainganyo akong pumunta sa loob ng museum at kala ko ay may bayad. Ito pala ay libre. Magandang tingnan ang historical importance nito, significance nito. Ito ay tribute kay Manuel L. Quezon. Ino-honor ang kanyang legacy bilang second Philippines President. Ang ikalawa, makikita din dito yung birthplace of Quezon City. It marks the site where Quezon City was founded. Katatlo, yung historical landmark. It serves as reminder of the country's struggle for independence. So makikita mo sa loob yung cultural significance nito bilang mga Filipino. Showcases the country's rich cultural heritage. At makikita din dito yung artistic and architectural treasure na features works by Filipino artists and architects. Katatlo, ang cultural significance din ito, yung symbol of national pride, na makikita yung Philippine identity and sovereignty. Sa educational importance naman, ito ay isang learning hub. Makikita kung paano yung insights into Philippine history, politics, and culture. At yung historical, maghahanap pa ng historical research. It provides resources for scholars and researchers. At ganoon din sa mga civic education. It fosters patriotism and national consciousness. Makikita din sa loob, napakaganda ng loob, na mga museum features Quezon's memorabilia. Mga personal belongings niya ay naandyan, mga documents and artifacts. At yung historical exhibits, interaction displays on Philippine history, art galleries showcasing Filipino art and sculpture. Makikita rin yung presidential car sa loob na restored noong 1936 Cadillac. Ito ay magandang tourism and community. Yung tourism attraction na pinupuntahan ng mga local and international visitors. At pwede rin ditong magkaroon ng community events, host cultural festival, concerts, and exhibitions. At ikatatlo, yung pwede rin itong recreational space. Offers gardens, walking path, and picnic areas. Kaya usually dito ako naglalakad at nag-exercise. Napakaganda na mag-exercise dito. Kaya na-feature dito yung national importance, yung national historical landmark, yung kahalagahan ng National Historical Commission, at yung cultural treasure ng National Commission for Culture and Arts, at symbol of national unity. Ang Quezon Memorial Circle Museum serves as a vital institution preserving Philippine history, culture, and identity. Kaya napakagandang magpunta dito at tingnan ang kanyang kasaysayan at magnilay ang tungkol sa kahalagahan ng patriotism ni Quezon at paglilingkod sa kapwa. So ito po muna ang aking ibabahagi at sana'y magkaroon tayo ng konting ideya sa Quezon Memorial Circle. Maraming salamat at God bless sa ating lahat.